What are you doing?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Digging a hole.
For what?
A window. What are you doing?
Yeah, making a video.
Oh,
Mm-hmm. Hi.
Good, good.
What are you doing, Kara? Are you waving to Greg?
Okay. Yeah, all fun.
You gonna fall asleep helping Daddy? Yeah.
I like your cards. So they need to be broke in a little more though.
The tractor say vroom vroom.
Don't get hurt, KJ.
Vroom vroom vroom.
That's a heavy duty chain. Don't get hurt. Barefoot, I don't know if I'll play with that.
There's the big hole. There it is. Okay. Love, love.
Love, love.